Okay, let's do some meal prepping. For this meal, you'll need 88% lean ground beef, some jasmine rice, eggs, and your seasoning of choice. My rice cooker takes 7.5 cups, which happens to be 1,500 grams of jasmine rice. Once you have your rice measured, you're going to want to spray it off to remove any excess starch. I like this method. Then you will pour out the excess water, fill it back up to the desired line, and put it in your rice cooker. My rice cooker is pretty dummy proof. Hit power on, white rice, and then power to start. And voila, the white rice is done. You can see here it weighs about 3,500 grams, which is 2.3 times the dry weight. And now for the beef, purchase 4.9 pounds out of the packaging, about 4.7 pounds, putting some Pam in a skillet and then dropping the meat in. We will add some seasoning, and here it is. After we drain off all the fat and excess water, we get 3.3 pounds, or about 53 ounces. And what would breakfast be without some eggs? Did some quick math, and I needed 39 eggs. Here are the first 18, separated into groups of 3. Now that all the cooking is done, time to put it all together. We will start with the rice, looking for 170 grams. I like to use forks to measure because it's easier to add and subtract. Trying to get it close, but not necessarily exact. Within a couple grams is quite all right. Next, zero out the scale, change it to ounces, and add 4 ounces of beef. Finally, we'll just grab one of the sets of 3 whole eggs and flop it on top, and then put the top securely on. And here is the final product. We have 13 individually prepared breakfasts and some extra white rice for the next meal prep session. You can freeze all of this and then take them out one at a time. At 6 minutes in the microwave, they'll be ready to eat. Here's a look at the macros: 672 calories and plenty of protein to rebuild your muscles and carbs to fuel your next workout. Finally, what does this cost? You can see about 12 cents for rice, 29 cents for eggs, and $1.53 for ground beef. At a grand total of $1.94. It's tough to beat. Thanks for watching. Come back next time for some really simple and really cheap meal prep ideas.